So this is the Realme 7 and it's using the custom ROM pixel experience on Android 13. So in this video I'll make a review about this ROM. Is it good enough or not for daily driver? Okay. So if you need tutorial how to flash this ROM, you can check on my previous video. And it is Unified Custom ROM. It means that you can use it on the Realme 7, Narzo 20 Pro, Narzo 34G, Realme 6, Realme 6i, and 6s. And in this video, I will cover and review and also test the GPS, camera for taking pictures, sound and video, test fingerprint, safetynet, rootbeer, SIM card, Wi-Fi, and other stuff. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hello guys, assalamualaikum. We meet again with Omwap. Okay, now this is the part 2 on review the custom ROM. Okay, as I said before, this is pixel experience using the Android 13 on Realme 7. Okay, so let's get started. You can see right here the device name. It's called RM6785 and it's using the Android 13. Okay. Its Android security patch is on April 5, 2023. Okay, and now let's open the ID64. Hey, this is the code name. The RAM is 8 GB and the internal storage is 128. And let's check the CPU. It's using the MediaTek Helio G90T 12 nanometer. The clock is between 500 and 2 GHz. Okay, now let's check the storage. You can see right here the system is using about 14 GB. Okay, let's go back again and let's go to the system developer option, and the memory that been used is 2.6 GB out of 8 GB. Very nice. Okay, this is also very smooth. I don't feel any lag right here. And now maybe some of you guys want to know if the IMEI is safe or not. Okay, let's check the IMEI. And you can see right here the IMEI is safe. There is no problem with the IMEI. Very nice. And you can also see in here I'm using the Wi-Fi, so no problem with the Wi-Fi. Hey, now the fingerprint. Usually some of you guys will ask about the fingerprint. Okay, so I have set up the fingerprint and let's text. Okay, nice, no problem with the fingerprint. Okay, it's also very fast. And now let's test the rootbeer, safetynet, and other stuff. Okay, it is important for you guys that want to use the banking apps and health rating, and also e-wallet. Okay, not rooted. Very nice. Safetynet for Google Pay and banking. Okay, so basically you can use this for daily driver. Okay, and applist detector also doesn't detect anything, so it doesn't have a root access, expose, and other stuff. Okay, and let's what else? Okay, CPU throttle. Let's check the CPU throttle. CPU throttle is usually used to test the IPS for the phone. It's maximized and making CPU stress. Okay, so if you use phone for gaming, video editing, the performance is very important. You can see right here the performance is about 130. It's quite nice. You can use it for gaming and other stuff. Okay, and also social media, of course. Okay, very nice. And next. Okay, Now let's test the GPS. Some of you will ask usually. Okay, very nice. There is no problem with the GPS. It is exactly on my position, but I cannot test on the road because I must take the phone with me. I think there is no problem with this, GPS. Okay, next. Okay, now let's take camera test. I will take a picture using the front back camera and also record a video. Okay, let's take a picture right here and also record video. Okay, I will show you later the result. Okay, hello guys, now I'm recording using the front camera and I will stop this one. Okay, now let's test the front camera and the back camera, I mean. Let's take a picture and also record video. Okay, now let's record the video. Okay, hello guys, now I am recording using the back camera. Okay, done. Now let's check the result. This is the result of the front camera and this is the video. Guys, now I'm recording using the front camera. Okay, very nice. This is the result of the back camera. Hello guys. Hello guys. Okay, nice. So there is no problem with the camera. We can take a picture and also record video. And the most important thing is the sound is very clear and loud. Okay, because sometimes in the custom ROM you will have problem when recording video. The sound is very low, but not with this custom ROM. Okay, so nice. And what else? Okay, now let's try to play a video to test the video and sound playback on the YouTube. So that's all guys, we have Tesla. Okay, that's all guys, so we have test lots of stuff. Okay, testing the network, the camera, video, sound, playback, safetynet, rootbeer and other stuff. Okay, so for the verdict, I will say this is a very nice ROM. It's very stable and almost doesn't have a bug, so I will very recommend this ROM for daily driver, also for social media and gaming. Okay, so if you have any question, feel free to ask on the comment section, and if you need the tutorial on how to flash this custom ROM, you can check on my previous video, the part 1. Okay, so see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum.